Now, how do you create a user? How do you create a user? How do you create a user? Create. Everybody look. How do you create a user? Real simple. Create user. Let's create a user called let's create user pen. Create user pen identified by ink. Semicolon.
Are we doing that?
Yeah. No. Of course you got to do this in SQL, not OS. Insufficient privileges. The only user that can create a user is a sysdba or somebody that has a create user privilege. I'll explain privileges in a minute. You must be in the sysdba. Why are you doing lsnrctl start?
This one was I have to restart
Oh,
the computer.
no, type exit. Type exit.
Insufficient privilege.
Source.bash profile. Profile. LE, enter. To start up again. Everybody, stop. All right, can everybody see? Zoom in more. Is that good?
Yes.
Everybody can see, right?
Yes.
Okay, so he's having an issue. Okay, he did this SQL plus dash associated connected on idols. When you start seeing that, you do start up. Can't find this guy, the P file. He's saying not only can I not find the SP file, I can't find the what P file. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is just the way I think. I'm saying, let me go check the .bash profile, right? So I do cdn, right? I do what? Cat what? .bash underscore profile. First of all, which init is that init stupid.ora, right? It means there's a database that's supposed to be called stupid.
Stupid.
Right? Right? I cat it. So stupid is there. Right? Stupid is there. Right? Stupid is there in the .bash profile. But okay, so that kind of checks. Okay, no problem. So next thing I'm going to do is what? I'm going to check what? My what? etc aura tab, right? So I do cat / etc / aura tab. Is there any stupid there?
No.
There is no stupid there, right? Okay, fine. Then, okay, you see, there's no stupid there. So that means automatic, it's not going to be in DBCA. Whatever is in DBCA is going to be here. Whatever is here is in DBCA, right? Fine, let's double check. You guys don't believe me, right? See? Okay, so I do what? Next. Delete database. You see? There's no stupid, right? All right. So now, the last place I'll check is, right now I already know what the problem is. But for you guys, so I just go to where my SP file is located. Oracle home / what? DBS. Now do ls. I'm looking for the stupid SP file. Do you guys see stupid? There's only SP file prod, SP file stage, right? So it's not there, right? So guess what? Now let's go back. Let's cat the etc aura tab. So now let's go back. Let's put stage. The problem is there is no stupid. There is no database called stupid. So now let us now go into our in our .bash profile and change. So when I do this, when I do vi.bash underscore profile, right? So they're stupid. There's stupid, right? Whoever deleted it, right? They didn't delete it from the .bash profile. You understand what I'm saying? You see, remember I told you, .bash profile is not automatic. You got to manually delete it. Once you delete a database from the OS, right? It automatically updates the etc and the SP file location, but it does not do this, right? So we'll do what? I hit I for Oracle SID, then come here, right? So now I'm just gonna make this stage, right? Because we saw stage and prod. So let's save this, WQ. Now watch this, right? Now I got to source the .bash profile, right? I got to change, I've changed it physically, but I got to change what is in Oracle's memory. So I got to resource it. So I do source .bash _ profile, right? So now when I do SQL plus /assist_dba, connect on INDO instance, I do startup. Startup. So wait is mounted. Open. There you go. Right? So that's how you fix that problem. Depending on what kind of issue is going on, you understand what's going on. Is it a .bash profile issue? Is it a parameter issue? Right? You got to know what's going on and how to connect. This is why the P file is important. This is why the .bash profile, these two files are very important files. Right? Don't worry, it's going to be